everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to be doing is creating this wonderful fall look. Why do I say that? What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to be doing is creating this fall look. And if you don't know me yet and you have never clicked on any of my videos, my name is Jessica, and yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know about me because there's not much to know about me. Anyways, if you'd like to know how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Thank you guys. These strips right here that I got from BoxyCharm, they're like Wonder Beauty and it's for baggage under your eyes. And I just like to keep these on sometimes when I'm doing my eyeshadow. I know it makes me look really ugly, but who cares? It's gonna make me look pretty afterwards, so it doesn't really matter, right? We're gonna be using my Modern Renaissance palette. I love this palette so much because it actually has so, like, I feel like it's a fall palette because, well, it could also be summer because of it. It's some of it's like golden tones, but okay, don't forget to put some concealer over your lid before we start with the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna leave this on also because it helps with fallout, so hey, win-win solution. Okay, so starting with this shade right here, I'm gonna go ahead and start with Warm Top, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. This one right here, and I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. So let's get started. Red ochre, I think it's how you say it. I don't know, but yes, the one that says red on it. So lightly tap off the excess, don't forget. And we're gonna put this on our crease, start it off at our crease and then build it inside, okay? So start. Okay, now I'm gonna go in again with my Warm Top, and I'm gonna also put it again at the crease with a clean brush. And this is how I clean my brushes when I'm doing my eyeshadow. I use this thing right here. It's Makeup Brush Cleaner Quick Drying Formula right here, and I got this at Sephora. I think it was like $9 or something, and I put a little bit in this jar that it comes with, like literally a tiny bit, like literally a little bit. And I just go ahead and I dip my brushes that I need to be cleaned off in there, and I just go in circles. So with a clean brush, I'm going to be using this brush right here. I'm going to just try to blend everything out, okay? Using this clean brush from Morphe, there's no number on it, so whatever. I'm going to get the Warm Top again and mix it with the red. So looks different on here. Red and brown, and I'm gonna apply that literally on my lid, not on my crease or anything, on my lid, both at the same time. Now with my clean brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it all together. You can take them off whenever they're dry because at first they're like pretty wet. And I know that they have a whole bunch of these, like I think they have some at Walmart also, Ulta, and they're not necessarily this kind, but I really like them. At least they work for me, because if you're tired like me all the time, you need your face to look good. Anyways, now what I'm gonna do is with Cypress Umber. What's wrong with me? Why can't I speak today or read anything? With this one, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the outer crease of my eye. Using a clean brush, you're gonna want to blend it all out. And if you don't have this palette, I mean, these colors are honestly like pretty basic colors that you can find in many different palettes, just as long as they're matte. For example, Morphe definitely has all these colors and many more colors within its palette, and it is a lot more affordable. So if that's what you're looking for, you should go to Morphe and get it. A little bit of the warm top mixed with the Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna get tiny, really grab it and put it on your lid. I had to wash my brushes, and I washed them, and I was being so impatient, like always, you know me. I freaking started blow drying my brushes. I started to blow dry my brushes, and what I did is I got a hair tie and I literally put it on my blow dryer, and I left it there, like, just I set it in a certain way where I didn't have to be holding it. And so me being the smartest person in the world, I failed to realize that the blow dryer is hot, and when it's super close to my brushes, it's gonna melt them, because I don't know, they just so it just got super messed up. Why did that happen? Because once again, I have no patience, and I want to get things done whenever, right then and there, done. I want them to be done whenever I say that they should be done. That's not how life works. You gotta be patient. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off now. Oh. Perfect. I'm just waiting for under my eyes to dry, because it's really wet. So this is literally it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite lashes. I did go ahead and do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using my Salon Perfect. They're just from Walmart. They are my favorite lashes right now. For this look, I just want these dramatic lashes, but they're not like crazy dramatic, if that makes any sense. But they're my Salon Perfect, sorry, I know it's itchy. They're my Salon Perfect eyelashes in number 615. They're these right here. They're so cute. I'm using my Superhero It Mascara by It Cosmetics. Okay, so after I've already applied my lashes, I just like to go in with my favorite concealer and this brush that I use for my eyebrows. And I just like to clean up my eyeliner and some of my eyeshadow, just because I like things to look sharp sometimes. Now I'm going to be using my I'm going to be using this primer right here, and it's my favorite primer because it's like super smooth and it just makes my skin feel good. And I'm going to put it all over my face because you don't want to do that. I dropped my drink. This is why I like these cups, because this always happens to me, so it's kind of normal. It's kind of normal. But I'm going to be using my freaking favorite foundation. Finally, I'm using it in the video. My Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This one right here. But anyways, I can talk about a lot of full coverage, long-lasting foundations. I like full coverage foundations a lot. And this is my all-time favorite. I've been using it for like 2 years already, and I love it. I have other foundations too, which are more affordable. I'm just dotting it all over my face. I'm gonna just get my hair out of the way. Use this foundation with either a beauty blender or you can use a brush, but today I'm gonna be using a beauty blender. Your neck. There's so many shades you can get with it. Like, has a lot of shades for like undertones, and for me, I don't know why I'm saying like a lot, but for me, I have a really yellow undertone, so it's super hard for me to find foundations that don't look pink on me. I need like if I say like one more time, I need my foundations to have a yellow tone to it so they can match me and I don't You know how I told you guys I usually spill everything? Like, I have a problem with being clumsy. I freaking spilled. I literally said use a little bit so you don't run out so fast, because a little bit goes a long way. And I left this unopened and I looked at it and I was like, I'm gonna drop that. I'm gonna drop that. And I didn't close it. And guess what happened? I freaking dropped it everywhere. So you know what I did? I dropped it all over my desk. So I just got, I got all my brushes and I just went like that so I could clean it. Because I'm not gonna let it go to waste. It was so, it's $12. And now I'm doing the same thing with my foundation. But guess what? I learned from my mistakes. Not really. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild right here. I recently got this and I really like it. It's really good. And it's easy to blend. So if you have a big forehead, once again. And if you put it on your chin, it just makes you look like you don't have a double chin. If you don't have a double chin, don't worry about it. But I have like a triple chin, so yeah. If you get itchy, just like tap your nose. My nose, obviously, right? Obviously, Jessica. There you have it. Okay. Okay. Okay, next, I'm gonna be using my favorite bronzer, which is the Hoola bronzer right here, and the brush that I just washed. Because, you know, I had to try to get some use of it. Bronzer to go over the parts where I contoured my face with the stick and under my cheek. Nice and bronzed. Sorry about my hair. I don't know what's going on there. Looking like a mess or whatever. Now, my favorite, my lovely baby. I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I think they just came out with this new packaging or something like that, because I just went to the store and it was like this, came in a box. But this is my all-time favorite setting powder. It's a little bit pricey, but it's totally worth it, and you can make it last a long time. You just have to use a little bit. So I get this and I just tap some onto my lid, into the lid, just a little bit. And trust me, I heard this makes a difference, so we're gonna try it out using the Laura Mercier sponge. I heard it just makes you look more flawless. So I'm just gonna set it under my eyes. Under my eyes and under my contour. It's kind of hard to. I usually use a beauty blender to do this, but the lady was like, trust me, it makes a difference, blah, blah, blah. And I usually throw all these away, and or like I just don't use them. And then I bought it yesterday and then I come home and I have a brand new one in there, and I'm like, wow, great. Whatever though, now I have two, I guess. And if you're gonna get, you can get the mini if you just want to try it, but I recommend getting the big one, because literally I did the math, and I think it's like 33 ounces for the other one, and you're paying like $24, and this is I think 38 or 35 around there, and you're getting like more than you would get if you would buy two of the little ones. If that makes any sense. Anyway, so a brush, one of my clean brush, or the brush I use for eyeshadow. I cleaned it already because, you know, everything spilled. But I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna go to my Modern Renaissance, and I'm gonna get the red and mixed with the brown, the darker brown, and just put it under my lower lash lid. So just the red and the brown, just under there. Sorry, I poked my eye. Makes a difference. You see the difference? Because I see the difference. I always say that. A little bit more airbrushed, so I guess it does make a difference now that I'm looking at it. It doesn't look cakey either, like, you know, sometimes how it gets a little bit patchy. It's not looking like that. It does make a difference. Wow, that's crazy. I did not know that. I learned something new yesterday. Now with my Luxie brush, Tarte highlighters today, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's one of my favorites, as you can see. I'm almost running out. And I'm just going to do a little bit because I don't want it to look too highlighted today, since I feel like fall is more matte. That's just my opinion. See the highlight? And it makes a huge difference when you apply your setting powder before your highlight. It just makes you look like, you know, whoa. And I do like to apply some of my highlighter. So, just on my brow. And sometimes I'll do the inner corner of my eyes. Just a little bit. Perfect. Now for lip, what I'm using lip color, lip pencil to line my lips. And using my other Morphe liquid lipstick in the color Taunt. Yes, in the color Taunt, I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in my lips. Don't forget to apply mascara to your lower lashes. So this is the completed look except for my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you do like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Comment down below if you want to see anything in specific or have any suggestions for me, or whatever your comments are, just leave them down below and I'll go ahead and read them, of course. Thank you guys so much, and yes, bye, see you next time, and happy fall.